These are the tower elevators at the Marriott in Indianapolis. More generic KONEs, I'm assuming. Here's this one. And just as nice as the other ones. Oh, G. And the key card readers only turned on at night, I guess.
You going down first?
Yep. Oh, these have some pretty good speed. 19. Going up. They're probably waiting for another one.
I guess.
Here we go up.
Some people are phobic.
Very gradual acceleration. Probably 500 feet per minute, I'm guessing. I'm just assuming these are 500. Oh, they these level very gradually. G. We'll go on to another elevator at G.
Oh, we're just putting it on the third floor or someplace where it's not so easy.
Set. Yeah, well, this will go down to G. See, pretty gradual. Oh, got one going up. 19. What floor?
I got it.
11. So that one's unlocked. It's the last one.
Pittsburgh gonna win this weekend?
I don't know. You having a good day?
Thank you.
You can't tell anymore.
Take care.
Take care.
Up to 19. So that other one's unlocked.
So,
We'll get off here. And that's it.